हेलो व्यूअर्स, होप यू हैड अ रिवॉर्डिंग ट्रेडिंग सेशन टुडे। कल हमने आपके साथ एसबीआई के दो लेवल्स शेयर किए थे। लेवल 1 240 जो कि स्टॉक ने बहुत ही कंफर्टेबली अचीव किया। लेवल 2 था 252, स्टॉक 245 तक होकर आया। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल दोज हु इन्वेस्टेड टुडे। वेलकम टू स्टॉक टॉक। Our topic for today's talk is diversification of investment. It is usually said that the investment should be diversified over various class of assets. Does that mean I should not be invested in one particular stock? No, it means my investment has to be diversified over various class of assets such as equity, fixed income instrument, gold, property, etc. Diversification of portfolio is the simplest way to manage your risk in the volatile and unpredictable market. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most famous fixed income instrument, which is very well known but not very well understood. Yes, I'm talking about bonds. Our topic for today's educational video is bonds. Bonds is possibly the only financial security which gives investor a chance to earn more than the fixed deposit, giving you almost the same risk exposure and keeping your capital intact. By definition, a bond is the fixed income security which allows the investor to lend a predetermined amount of funds and be eligible for interest on these funds. Let's understand this through an example. A company can raise funds in the following ways. Number one, the most easiest and the common way is to raise through equity. Number two, the company can go to the bank to raise the loan. Number three, the company can go to the general public and ask them to lend the money at the predetermined rate of interest. This is nothing but bonds. So let's discuss and understand some basic concepts related to bonds. Face value. Bonds always have a face value. It could be 1,000 rupees, it could be 10,000 or so on. An investor can buy these bonds in multiples. For example, a company has raised bonds, issued bonds, 1,000 rupees bonds, and an investor has 1 lakh rupees. The investor can buy 100,000 rupees bonds. Next is coupon rate. Coupon rate is nothing but interest rate. Whenever we talk in terms of bonds, we use the term coupon rate instead of interest rate. Tenure. Tenure is just like in the FDs, there is a time span till maturity, which could be 6 months, 1 year, so on. Next is coupon date. It is the date on which the issuer will pay the coupon rate to the lender. Date of redemption. It is the date on which the bond gets matured and the company will repay the investor. Redemption value. It is the value which the company will pay to the lender on maturity. It could be at par value, which is the face value. It could be at premium, which is the value higher than the face value, or it could be at discount, which is the value lower than the face value. All these terms are clearly explained in the bond offer document, and like in any other investment, we always suggest our investors to carefully read the document. Hope I have been able to explain all these terms to you to your satisfaction. Wish all my viewers a good day. Thank you.